Welcome back to Cooking with Hua. Today I'll be making lemongrass pork chops. I'm using 2 pork butt steak bone-in versus the lean pork chops. I'm going to make the marination sauce. I'm using 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of the Maggi seasoning sauce, 1 tablespoon of your favorite fish sauce, half a tablespoon of soy sauce. I ran out of garlic, so I'm using garlic powder instead, and I put in half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything together. 3 tablespoons of lemongrass chopped finely, 1 green onion. Add the lemongrass and the green onions to the marination sauce and give it a good mix. I like to marinate my pork chops for at least 2 hours before I cook them. You can marinate them overnight and then cook them the next day. It would be even better. I covered the pork chops with the sauce, making sure both pork chops are covered in the entire sauce. I marinated the pork chops for at least 2 hours. And then I went ahead and covered with cling wrap and placed them in the fridge. Before cooking, I want to make sure I take the chill off the pork chops before I broil them in the oven. Since I'm not grilling, I'm going to use broil instead at 390 for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, flip the pork chops and cook for another 15 minutes. Then I turn on the temperature to 450 degrees and broil them on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes each. And then you'll have like a crispy, juicy pork chops. These turned out so delicious. It had nice flavor, the lemongrass, and that touch of sweetness from the sugar and the oyster sauce, and that saltiness from the fish sauce and soy sauce. I really do hope you give my lemongrass pork chops recipe a try. And on this night, I decided to pair it with some noodles and some egg rolls and some vegetables. So I normally eat it with rice, but on this particular night, my sister was craving this dish. I hope you guys enjoy my recipe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.